Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming prerequisites: battery greater or equal to 20%, network access, and app update. Once done, open the app and sign in. Make sure to choose a strong PIN. Next, grant precise location and background permissions so tracking runs reliably. Also enable Bluetooth if the tracker uses accessories. You do these steps now so the app can register your device and begin transmitting location data. This prevents delays and false readouts. Once the basics are set, open settings and choose your tracking interval based on how long you need battery to last. You'll balance frequency versus power. Short intervals give accuracy but drain battery faster. Then create geofences for locations you care about, set radii in meters and label them clearly. After that, enable alert types: low battery, entry/exit, and unauthorized movement, so you get actionable notifications instead of constant pings. Finalize by testing live tracking. Walk a short distance and confirm the map refreshes within the set interval. If positions lag, make sure device time is synced and the operating system is up to date. Then restart the phone and app. Make sure battery saver and background data limits are disabled for the app. If tracking still fails, recheck location permissions set to always, and temporarily toggle Bluetooth and cellular to force a fresh GPS fix. This usually resolves stale readings.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.